Hi guys, in today's episode, a couple of cinematic views from the drone of this castle. Can't remember the name just now, but I will put it on the screen. And then I flew over an A9 towards the Loch Garry as well. So I'm gonna show you that too, and then just simply drone footage and some really nice music. Really short episode, so enjoy. I know that today's episode has been a really short one, and there's a lot of going on during the week, a lot of projects going on, college going on, work is going on, so I don't have a lot of time to actually record a decent video, but I do promise it will change, so fingers crossed. Anyway, hope you enjoyed those cinematic views with the music when I was flying a drone. If you did, please give the thumbs up to this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. In today's episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!